Welcome to New York. Pack your bag and join us as we explore the oldest part of Central Park. On a beautiful Sunday morning, it's a great time to check out Central Park. So we're on 62nd Street. We are walking to the park.
A very beautiful day.
It is a really nice day and the sun is very bright. It's very loud in New York.
Yeah, I'm not going to say something.
This is the way. We don't have that much of an itinerary. We're just gonna
Wander.
Yeah, we're gonna wander. Big buildings.
Welcome to Central Park.
Going under a tunnel now. Under the tunnel.
Yeah, it's cool. Very cool. The tunnel has lights, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
We have found the green space.
Yeah, the very big green space. Just super cool looking. And it's pretty expansive too. The fountain is super cool. And this tunnel's super cool too.
And I've heard that you have to check out the ceiling.
Okay, let's go check out the ceiling. Yeah, let's go check out the ceiling.
Because of the tiles.
The ceiling tiles date to the mid-1860s. It's the only known example of a Minton tile suspended ceiling.
There's always a story.
And up the stairs and out of the terrace, you're always going to find something really interesting happening.
Oh, I don't wish you no bad luck, baby. But it's no ifs or buts, or maybe.
To the right of us is a green space called Sheep Meadow. So this is apparently the very famous area where everybody hangs out to get away from city life.
That is like really super cool space. Look at that. This is really easy on the eyes.
Now we have volleyball.
Ooh, there's volleyball going on. This is the annual bike race. It starts on Staten Island and goes all the way up through the city on this Sunday every year.
So it must be the Sunday after Cinco de Mayo.
Maybe.
The Cinco de Mayo is always on the 5th, of course. Is it right down here?
Lori's been looking for this thing for like, I don't know, I think a few years. A few stops anyway. She found the carousel.
We did.
Yeah. Well, let's check this thing out. Oh, that is just cool. That's just cool. I'm not riding the...
There's no chicken on this one, though. They're all horses.
Softball games. A lot of softball fields here.
Yeah, so it could be, for all you know, it could be celebrity softball.
Celebrity softball would be cool. It's a rock. Is it the rock? We have to do research. We're gonna tell you guys later if it is. All of you's killer.
Oh my God.
Do I know you?
It's Casey.
Hey, I do know you. You're Lori with Covaction. Fancy meeting you here.
Of all places in New York City.
Of course. No, it's just me. I guess it's time to leave the park. Yeah, it's a really nice space.
And a very nice day to do it in.
Probably spend a lot longer in here. I know we have in the past.
There is a ton of stuff to see though.
Yeah, it's a really cool space. If you have a nice half day on a day like today, definitely check out Central Park. Pack your bag and join us as we travel Amtrak business class back to Syracuse along the Hudson. You don't have to worry about Poughkeepsie in your pants when you have a toilet.